I'm just calling to my mother-in-law.
I think you stay here because it's very hot. Very hot there. Yeah.
Hello, Nay. Nay, nandito kami sa flat ni Miss Tang. Nandito kami. Hindi, kumain muna kami sa labas. Tapos, isinama kami rito sa kanyang bagong bahay. Sa Chunwan. Oo, ay, ang laki na ni Jeremy. Big girl. Tapos, ano pala, gusto ko kasi makita ni Akin. They want to see me. So, oo, wala pa, nagtatrabaho sa bangko. Tapos, gusto daw di ko magkapunan. Gusto ko makasama ko. Hindi naman Excel. Good, matulungan ko siya. Tapos, ano yan pala sila, Christian. Christian. And, bread of life ang kanilang 611 bread of life. At sila pala ay hiwalay na ng kanyang asawa. Oo. Nalaman ko sa kanya. 3 taon na. So, baka kaya marami pa siyang ikwento sa akin. Tutulungan ko. Oo. Tutulungan ko muna siya, ha? May wala ako tatawag. Bye. Sir.
Mother?
Yeah, I told the mother and daughter. Aurora, that I'm in your house. And she's, you're in the house of this? Yeah, sabi ko, sinamin, Akin like to sing. Like that.
Alana, will have dinner with you? As normal.
Yeah, it's normal.
Okay. Normal Sunday.
Normal Sunday. I stay in a boarding house in a village there.
But do you know you will stay with us for dinner?
Yes, I do. I'll stay there. When I leave you in your house, you have your